How can a concrete house go global? I've mentioned in previous videos that building factories overseas is one solution and a major trend for the future. However, this involves upfront investment and a longer preparation period. So, in the current market environment, are there other faster and more practical solutions? Yes, there are. The building product I'm introducing in today's video is a fusion of the two concepts I previously discussed: commercializing and modularizing construction for global markets. It embodies the main mission I've been gradually guiding you toward. At least a significant portion of our homes can be produced and manufactured industrially, like smartphones or cars, and scaled globally in batches. Recently, we've focused on overseas project demands and market pain points and launched a series of building products. These products not only enable faster construction abroad, but also significantly reduce the transportation cost of concrete, potentially marking a groundbreaking milestone. For the first time, they make it feasible for concrete buildings to go overseas, reach international markets, and be replicable. We've named this product One Container, One Home. It has two key features. The first is container-level transportation. All the building materials, lighting, and hardware for a 60 square meter, 2-bedroom, 2-living room, 1 kitchen, 1 bathroom house are packed into a single container without exceeding weight limits, drastically reducing transportation costs. Why 60 square meters? First, to comply with policies in some countries for backyard extension homes, buildings under 60 square meters are generally exempt from planning permits, making approvals simpler and implementation faster. Additionally, this is a commonly used size for government-subsidized affordable housing. The second feature is the small module plus large wall panel construction model. To facilitate on-site construction, we've turned high-utility but complex functional areas, like bathrooms, kitchens, and wardrobes, into pre-finished modules. These are combined with wall panels to create indoor spaces. The modules are fully finished in domestic factories before being shipped. On-site, they're assembled with doors, windows, and wall panels to form a complete space. While this is a compromise, it's precisely because it strikes a balance between efficiency and cost that it makes the otherwise difficult to transport concrete buildings feasible. Although the building is broken down into wall panels, construction efficiency remains high. The foundation is prefabricated, and the kitchen, bathroom, and wardrobes are pre-finished modules. The wall panels come with built-in interior and exterior finishes and pre-embedded pipelines. As a result, on-site construction requires only 3 to 4 workers and a 30-ton truck crane, with assembly completed in a single day and final delivery in 1 to 2 weeks. Some might say that this module plus panel approach isn't new. Steel structures have been doing this for a while. True, but applying this method to concrete buildings could offer even greater advantages. Concrete is molded, making the process simple, but the mold costs are high. However, once small modules are standardized across different projects, they can be reused repeatedly, further amplifying the cost advantages of concrete construction. This is something I'll dive into in more detail in upcoming videos. Are you curious about this One Container, One Home product? Like and follow us, and we'll continue the discussion in the next episode.